Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a fun quick tutorial for you, but I'm going to be showing you how to make a cute little mini yarn hank. So these little yarn hanks can be used as keychains, stitch markers, you can even add them to your crochet project. So here are some of the things that you're going to need to make this project. For this mini hank tutorial, you are just going to need some yarn. Now, it doesn't really matter what type of yarn you use because the basis of how this little mini hank is made stays the same. So for the tutorial, I'm using Lion Brand Woolies yarn, which is a wool acrylic based yarn. But as you can see here, I brought some other examples out. I've also made this with just a basic cotton yarn, and this is DK yarn. So you can really use any yarn that you'd like. And you're also just going to need a blocking mat. I have the one with the squares on it, but that's not necessary. I just find it easier to measure things because it keeps everything aligned. You're going to need some blocking pins to go on your mat, a pair of scissors, and a darning needle. All right, that's it. So let's go ahead and get started. So our first step in making these little mini hanks is to go ahead and grab your blocking mat. So go ahead and grab your blocking mat, put it down, and grab 2 blocking mat pins. And then once you have your blocking mat pins, you want to place them 6 inches apart from each other. So this is when the blocking mat with the squares come in really handy because each square is about 1 inch. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and place one down. Then I'm going to count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to place the other one down. And then you want to go ahead and grab your yarn. And you're going to wrap your yarn around the pins 13 times. So you want to have a little bit of a tail end towards the end of your pin, okay, because we're going to be tying a knot with our other tail end. And now we're going to wrap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. All right, once you wrapped it around 13 times, grab your scissors, cut your tail end. Now take your 2 tail ends and tie a knot. So you want to tie a knot towards the end and then tie one more knot over it to make sure it stays secure, just like that. Place it down, then find the middle of your yarn. So this might take a second, but that's totally okay. Just take your time. Pull your blocking pins out once you've found the middle. Then take your yarn, make sure the knot end is on the right side. Okay, and then place the yarn on one finger on the right, one finger on the left, and now we're going to start twisting. So you want to twist with the right finger. So just twist it until you have a tight twist. Okay, you'll kind of know when it feels tight. Okay, maybe I can go one more on this side. Maybe not. There we go. Okay, then you want to take the middle and you're going to flip it in the middle. Now it'll naturally come together. Okay, maybe one more twist on this side. There we go. All right, now you want to take the right over the left. So what you want to do is you want to carefully push the right loops over the left loops, just like that. And then you want to pull. And there you go. Now you've just created a cute little mini hank. Okay, and so next step is to grab your pair of scissors and you just want to trim that tail end knot, just like that. Okay, you should have something that looks like this, a cute little hank. And then you want to go ahead and re-grab your yarn again. Okay, let me just get my yarn over here. And you want to cut about a 6-inch strand of yarn. So that is about 3, 6. Here we go. Go ahead and cut that. Grab your darning needle. Insert your yarn in the darning needle. Then go through the top loops of your hank carefully. So that's about right here for me. Pull your darning needle carefully through, and then tie a knot at the top of your hank if you want to. This part is optional. I think it kind of looks nice tying a knot on top. And then you want to tie 2 more knots at the tail end of the top. And there you go. Now you've created a really cute little mini hank. And so you can use these as little keychains. You can add it to the end of your projects. You can even make little stitch markers with these little mini hanks. You would have to, of course, make a little bit of a smaller one. But yeah, that is how you make a little mini hank. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial on how to make these cute little mini hanks. So if you did like it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.